My name's Kelsey Hughes.
And I'm Seren Hughes. We both studied BTEC Sports Coaching and Development.
We both had triple distinction stars. Achieving a triple distinction star made me feel pleased because all the hard work over the past 2 years have paid off. I'll now be going to Cardiff Met to study sport, PE and health.
Yeah, I feel really pleased too. I think all the hard work throughout the course has just led to these results. I'm now going to USW to study sports coaching and development. We both play cricket for Wales, and throughout college we've had so much support from the lecturers and the college with help with bursaries and scholarships just to get us to play cricket throughout college.
It's also helped with our tour to Barbados. They were really supportive, all the lecturers helping us catch up on work, and then with the bursary as well, that also helped.
So we both had the opportunity to become Gold Young Ambassadors for the college, which really helped us throughout our course because we had lots of coaching opportunities and it just helped develop our skills and attributes.
Not only did it help us in college, it also helped us outside of college with our social skills as well as our coaching skills. Thanks to Lindsay Piper, who's the Get Active officer.
Lindsay gave us loads of opportunities in becoming young ambassadors and just coaching throughout college, which helped our experience and gave us lots of opportunities.